Hey folks, it's Papa Texas and
Daddy.
and what we have today, VONT. The word is VONT, V-O-N-T. These are solar spotlight 2-pack. And I'm going to show it to you. We're going to set them in the ground and then I'll show you the night look of them. It's awful dark when I get my mail at night, and I thought, you know, just bring a little bit of light into it. And that's where these are going to go, and I'll show you that in just a second. But there's a link down below for VONT with a code word, and you get 10% off your VONT products. How awesome is that? You know, save money. Who doesn't want to save money? You like to save time and money, don't you?
What's VONT?
What?
What's VONT?
VONT is the name of the company. VONT, right there. Check out that light. So here's the light part of it. We'll see how that is in the dark. Now here's the solar panel. So what you got, you stick it in the ground and you aim it the right direction. We'll see how it goes because the sun only hits it in the evening time. So we'll get these in there. It may take a day or so for it to be fully charged. Like I said, you can turn it whichever way you want. I got it too tight. There you go. I can get it all set up like that. And we'll see how bright they are. All right, we're gonna go put these in the ground next to the sidewalk going up to the mailbox next to the door. And next time you see it, it'll be dark. It's Papa Texas. That code's down there, ain't it? Yeah. It only comes on in the dark. It is not a light. It is not a sensor. Well, there's the light, and I got it shining over there on them little babies right there. And that's what we got. There's the shine of it. So that's just one. That's what one of them's putting out right there. Right here on my sidewalk. That's what we got.